Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing another video of my two vacuums. So we got my Bissell Powerforce Helix bagless, so great. It's a bagless version, like I said. There's a lot of rocks and grass and stuff. It's really good, picking up a lot of stuff. And it doesn't have no chassis. It does not have no chassis. But at least it has the sticker. There's that hose holder, that's the screw for it. I took it off. I took apart this Bissell, but I did not take apart the handle because it was pain in the rear, or pain in the butt, should I say. So it does have no on-off switch. And you're gonna climb it. So that's kind of cool. That's a really schedulable hose. And it does come off. So, and it goes black. That's it with the gray, with the grayish. And that's the blue part. And yeah, so this will just have this blue part right here. And does not come off, it stays. It's glued on. It's glued on. So it's wrapped up. Yeah, so we got the Kirby hair tag spade. This one comes in the headlight. And it has this really good handle. Kind of ramped out a little bit, but I still enjoy using it. So this screw just hooks. It'll come off. Oh, correct, it'll come off. These are really wrapped up. Yes, are really wrapped up. It comes to the bag. Let's go this high test store. It's really quiet. So on our switch. So I'll be doing a demo later with my Bissell and my Kirby 72. So yeah, and that was a tour of my vacuums, and that's it. The Kirby actually does have the attachments for it, but the problem is it's missing the attachments. This one is too. Both of these are missing attachments. Including the Bissell, because I mean Stacy forgot the attachments, so I think the Bissell does not have any attachments. So as Stacy finds the attachments for this one, whoa, I'm using them. I'm gonna use them. I'll put the screws right there, and the clutch tool and the Stetson wall right there. Now Kirby, I don't even really need Stetson or the attachments. But it doesn't mean it's in the way, but we'll see later. Bye.